In this video series on the properties of exponents, we are going to start with the product property, which tells us that when we multiply the same base, we add their exponent. So for a to the m multiplied by a to the n, that becomes a to the m plus n. So we're going to focus on that product property, and we're going to simplify some expressions. So our base here is x. So I'm going to start by writing down my base. And then I'm going to add my exponents. So I've got a 4 here. Okay. Now this is a little tricky. On this x, this is x to the first power. We don't typically write that one. I'm going to write it in so we can see it. So we are going to add plus 1, and then this x to the third means we're going to add plus 3. And so when I write my final answer, that's going to be x to the 4 plus 1 plus 3, which is the 8th power. And that has been simplified. Okay. So now in this context, we have different bases, and we also have a coefficient. So that 2 is called a coefficient. It's not a variable. And that 2 would multiply any other coefficient that was sitting here. This coefficient is just 1, so 2 times 1 is just 2. All right, and then we're going to look at the different bases. So I'm going to look at x to the third and x because those are the same base, so I can apply the product property there. So that'll be x to the 3 plus, and again, the invisible exponent on this x is a 1, so it's 3 plus 1. And then I have y to the 4 plus 5. So for my final answer, that 2 is still there, and then that becomes x to the 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 on that y is 9. And last but not least, this looks a little bit funny because our base this time is 5. Rather than being a variable, it's a number. Now this is not a coefficient, this is my base. So if you keep that in mind, we start by writing down our base, so that's 5. And then remember you add your exponents. So I'm going to add 2 plus 6. So this equals 5 to the 8th power. And I'm actually going to leave it like that because 5 to the 8th is a very large number, and they just wanted us to simplify this, and we have. So as usual, I've got a couple of problems for you to try. I recommend pausing the video, trying them on your own, and then checking your answer. Good luck.